Hey, good morning, everybody. Today is Tuesday, January 12th, 2016. My name is Cliff Backus, and this is your PushButtonStockTrading.com daily video market review. Much of what we do at Push Button Stock Trading is based in part or in full on William O'Neill's classic book, How to Make Money in Stocks. O'Neill utilizes the acronym CANSLIM to identify the important elements of what he's looking for in a trade. The N in CANSLIM stands for New Products or Management and reminds us that we need something new and exciting to sustain longer-term profit growth. Generally, at this point in the presentation, we talk about the L in CANSLIM, leader or laggard. Generally, we look at HGSI's Spectrum Analyzer. I'm having a bit of problem with the software this morning, and so I will just tell you that in the Spectrum Analyzer this morning, 26% of the top 100 stocks in the top 100 industries came from the real estate investment trust industry. That may be a good place to begin looking for stocks when the market resumes the uptrend. The M in CANSLIM stands for market, and to my way of thinking, that's the most important element. So let's take a brief look at the market. Markets attempted to rally yesterday, closing mixed on mixed volume. The Nasdaq closed lower for the 8th day in a row, as did the Russell 2000. According to our market timing model, we remain on a sell signal. A sell signal indicates that we should be off of margin and aggressive traders can sell short. We should sell any long position that, if sold at current stop levels, would result in a loss. All stops should be at their tightest levels on all positions. Conservative traders may want to hedge their portfolios with contra ETFs, exchange-traded funds. Yesterday, declining issues bettered advancers by about 7-4. New lows swamped new highs again. And according to our Ramosi ratio, large capitalization stocks bettered small. Large caps continue outperforming on a 10-day moving average basis. It should be noted that small caps typically outperform in bull markets. Our Ramosi overbought oversold indicator is showing an oversold condition in the market. Keep in mind, an oversold market can become severely oversold, as we've witnessed in recent weeks. Let's start today by taking a look at the Russell 2000. What we're looking at here is the Russell 2000 over the past 12 months. I want to start by noting that the Russell made its high of 1296 on June 23rd. From that high on June 23rd to today, the Russell 2000 is off 20.3%. That's bear market territory. Right now, the Russell 2000, as of yesterday, is in a bear market. It's the first of our indexes to actually go into a bear market. As you know, I've been saying for a while now that the Russell 2000 is the key to this market going forward. Right now, the Russell seems to be in free fall. We have no real support under the market, and the next level of resistance is probably this downtrend line, which marked prior support in the short-term down channel. Let's take a look at the Nasdaq Composite. Nasdaq yesterday was down 5.65 points, or 0.12%. We closed at 4637, and note how we tested support at this long-term trend line. And for now, we've held that support level. The Nasdaq yesterday marked its 8th straight down day. Trading volume was higher than the prior day, giving us a distribution day. I'm sorry, it wouldn't have been a distribution day because we were only down 12/100ths of a point. In order to record a distribution day, you need to be down at least 20/100ths of a point. So we didn't have a distribution day yesterday. The Nasdaq, for you followers of William O'Neill, is in a market in correction. It has been since January 5th. Right now, we are bracketed by support at this trend line. If we break that trend line support, our next area of support's down here in the 4506 range. We have resistance up here in the 4900 area. According to our market timing system, we are on a sell signal on the NASDAQ composite. Let's take a look at the S&P 500. S&P yesterday was up 1.64 points, or 0.09%. We closed at 1923. Trading volume was about even with the prior day. The S&P is in a market in correction. We have been since January 4th. Right now, the S&P is bracketed by support at its long-term trend line right here, and resistance up in the 1993 area. If we were to break this trend line, which we tested and held yesterday, the next level of support is down here in the 1867 area. According to our market timing model, we are on a sell signal. That's about all I have for today. If you want to talk about any of the stocks mentioned today or any of our market strategies, please feel free to give me a call, drop me an email, or make an appointment. Come by the office, see what we're up to. Contact information is on the home page. Please take a minute to go to our subscription page and subscribe to Push Button Stock Trading. You can also follow us on Twitter at PushButtonStock. Again, my name is Cliff Backus. That's your daily video market review. Have a safe and profitable day. Keep your stops in place, and I will see you again tomorrow. Please stay tuned for our important disclaimers. All the best. Disclaimers. Push Button Stock Trading Video Market Review is produced and edited by Clifford B. Backus. Mr. Backus is a Senior Vice President of Investments, Technical Analyst, Portfolio Manager, and Partner with the investment firm of Ohanneson Liqueurs Incorporated. Video Market Review is produced solely for the benefit of our clients, friends, and colleagues. Anything written, stolen, and/or plagiarized in this publication is done without malice. Further, the analysis and opinions expressed in this publication are strictly those of the editor and not of Ohanneson Liqueurs Incorporated, its affiliates, subsidiaries, or any of the officers or employees of Ohanneson Liqueurs, Inc. On that note, we submit the following. The analysis, calculations, and evaluations presented herein are based on data and assumptions Ohanneson Liqueurs Incorporated believes to be accurate. Ohanneson Liqueurs Incorporated makes no representation that such analysis or calculations are accurate, or that such valuations represent levels at which actual trades may occur. This report has been prepared from original sources, except where otherwise noted, and data we believe to be reliable. Ohanneson Liqueurs, Inc., its affiliates and subsidiaries, and/or their officers and employees or their families may from time to time acquire, hold, or sell a position in the securities mentioned herein. Moreover, opinions may differ from one entity to the next. If we are used in connection with the purchase or sale of any security discussed in this report, we may act as principal for our own account or as agent for both the buyer and the seller. Push Button Stock Trading is dedicated to the education of friends, clients, and paid subscribers. Push Button Stock Trading is an information service only. The information provided herein is not to be construed as an offer to buy or sell stocks of any kind. Push Button Stock Trading is created to aid subscribers in making informed investment decisions based wholly or in part on technical analysis. It's possible that at this time or some subsequent date, the editors of Push Button Stock Trading may own, buy, or sell the investments presented. All investors should consult a qualified professional before making any investment. The information provided has been obtained from sources deemed to be reliable, but it is not guaranteed as to the accuracy or completeness. The editors of Push Button Stock Trading make every effort to provide timely information to subscribers, but cannot guarantee specific delivery times due to factors beyond our control.